What are you doing that for?
You can't really see, girl.
Really?
Really?
You can see me. You can be going.
You look like a big shadow.
What?
You look like a shadow.
Oh.
I darted.
I didn't.
I
have the
did.
dark.
You should though.
I can't.
I felt like I was gonna puke.
What?
What?
Cute.
This is Brandon / Reagan right there.
Nervous.
Do you want to stop being nervous?
Can I rub your cheeks?
Just don't even touch me.
I snorted. Look at my toes. Don't even close up.
I should make my toes up. My alien toes.
Yummy, touch your cheeks. Just see you going. Oh, how very cute. Oh,
Rub me down there.
oh, okay. Higher.
Call me again.
Yeah. Call me again.
I have one stuck in a hurt with it. Look at that eyeball right there. I drew that for myself.
That's very nice, girl.
It's upside down. There you go. You see it?
It's so there.
Oh,
It's so very beautiful.
And that's supposed to tell with the froggies.
See my little frogs? You can't see them.
There's froggies.
There's a frog.
I like
a frog. Snore.
You're not recording me, you're recording down here, dog.
Oh, I'm sorry, girl.
Right in your boobs.